Hey guys, it's Mozzie here today. We're gonna be unboxing my Ducky 1-2 Mini. I'm sorry for the camera angle. Nobody's up in my house right now to be able to help me record this. I figured I'd make a video because when I ordered this and was looking into Ducky, I looked at a lot of videos on YouTube, so I figured I'd make an unboxing video myself. Where'd I put this knife though? But yeah, like I said, sorry about the camera angle. Nobody else is awake right now to help me record this. So let's open it. Sorry if you guys can't really see. I got paper. We got our extra keycaps from mechanical keyboards. We got our information. And here it is. Here it is. I am so beyond excited. The Ducky 1-2 Mini. This is one of the top line keyboards. Why is it open? Y'all see that? That was like that. I got brown switches. If you guys wanted to know. I am really curious as to, what random, color, keys I'm gonna get. I think I seen. Let me get this better for you guys here. So I got the white one. Ooh, feels so nice. We got the pink keycap. I don't know if that looks red to you guys in there, but it is pink. Heck yes. Ducky 1-2 Mini. You guys get a good look all the way around. I went with the white one because I felt like the RGBs would hit off it better. Plus, it probably matched my setup a little better. We're gonna be getting the How rubber keycaps, but we haven't got those yet. So, let's see if there's anything else that I can show you guys in here. Keep this, cause you'll need to know what to do with the RGBs with that. We got our keycap puller. We got our space bar. Year of the pig. And we got our extra keycaps. Like I said, they might look red to you guys from the camera, but it is pink. It's like a salmon pink. Then we got our cord and everything, and that's about it for the box. You got your warranty and stuff. Let you guys get another look at this. I am beyond excited. I've been wanting this for a while now. It feels good too. That's one thing I say. It's small, but has a nice feel to it. Definitely a nice feel to it. Let's see. Plug this in real quick. Maybe show you guys some RGBs right quick. I know everybody loves the RGBs. Let's see if we can show you all a little bit of the RGB. Can y'all see that? Yeah, y'all can see that. Yeah, let me turn off the light. Maybe it'll be a little better for y'all to see the RGB. There you go. You can see a little better now, huh? Yeah, look at the RGB on the white. Definitely pops, huh? Alright, guys. I hope this video, maybe helped you guys for what you can expect when you unbox your Ducky, or I don't know, anything. Just help you with a little information on the Ducky. I ended up getting the white one, Ducky 1-2 Mini, Year of the Pig. Got pink keycaps. And like I said before, from what I hear, this keyboard is one of the top of the line keyboards, especially for gamers. So if you're in the market for a new keyboard, definitely check out Mechanical Keyboards. Um, Good service. I got the keyboard pretty quick to me, so definitely check them out if you're in the market for a new keyboard. Definitely look into Ducky. But okay, I'll give you guys one more look. But alright, I hope this video, like I said, helped anybody or just gave anybody a little insight on what the Ducky 1-2 Mini is all about. Hope you guys have a good day. Please like and sub to the channel. And we'll be back with more videos because this is pretty much going to be a journey to our new game setup. So stay tuned and we'll be coming with more videos. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Peace.